Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. In today's video, I am going to give you three different chess tactics about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. If you know the answer, please say your answer below the comment section. I am going to give you 1 minute. Okay. If you know the answer before the 1 minute, please say your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer in the right time after the 1 minute. Okay. Now the timer is running. Okay. Okay, now the timer is done. Now I am going to give you the right answer. Okay, you can see the particular chess pattern. Here, white has double rook, double knight, 7 pawn, a queen and a king. What? Black has double rook, a queen, a bishop, a knight and 7 pawn. This particular chess pattern have same equal values. Okay, same equal values. Okay, now I am going to tell the right answer. First move, queen b5 and beautiful check. You can see the queen. White hand, first move is white hand. White played queen b5 and beautiful check. In this time, black has 2 options or 3 options. Block the check with queen or knight or move the king. We will see one by one. Okay, you can see here I am telling right now in the right time. This queen, there is a check. If he take this one and this knight block the check, or queen come to block the check, or king go to there. Okay, 3 options black has. Okay, if queen come to d7, what happened? The second move of white hand, white cut the bishop. That's it. Now totally black lost because black has less pieces, white has so many pieces. That's why this game easily win white. Okay, we can go to the second tactical puzzles about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. This is tactic puzzles 2 about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. I am going to give you 1 minute. You can find the right answer before the 1 minute. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. This particular chess game very useful for beginner level player, intermediate level player, advanced level player. Okay, the timer is running right now in the right time. Okay, Hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. This is puzzles 2. Show the tactics 2 in Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay, the timer is done right now. I am going to teach you the answer. Okay, you can see the right answer in the right time. First, when you find the right answer, you need to check every pieces deeply and smartly analyze. Okay, I am going to show you white has a king, a queen, white 7 pawn and double rook a knight. White black has 8 pawn, a bishop double rook, a queen and a king, a pawn up black has. Okay, in this particular chess game, white win easily. You can see how to white win the game. Okay, I am going to teach you right now in the right time. The timer is done right now. I am going to teach you the right answer. First move is f6. Okay, this particular section, you can see the right answer now. I am going to teach you this queen go to here like this. There's a pin. Key cannot cut this pawn. Okay, if key don't cut this one, there's a beautiful checkmate. That's why black need to cut the white pawn, otherwise black lost the game. Okay, that's why now you can see here bishop cut the pawn, then easily cut the bishop by the white pawn. That's it. This is very hard chess tactics in Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the third tactics about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay, we can go to the next tactics. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the Night Gambit TV channel. This is tactics 3 about Caro-Kann Defense advanced variation. Okay, I am going to give you 1 minute. You can find the right answer before the 1 minute. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 1 minute. Okay. In this particular chess game, white has double rook, a bishop, and 6 pawn, a king. White black has 6 pawn, double rook, a knight, and a king. Now this particular chess game, both side pieces are equal values. Okay, I am going to give you 1 minute right now in the right time. The timer is running right now. Okay, okay, now the timer is done. The 1 minute is done right now. I am going to give you the right answer. Okay, first move is rook c4 and beautiful check. Okay, there's, you can see now, there's a beautiful attack here. You can see how to white win the game. Okay, I am going to teach you. If rook there is a check, in the same time, this rook at the knight. That's it. Okay, you can see now, if king move like this, and the second move of white hand, white rook cut the black knight. That's it. Okay, in this particular chess game, if white playing cardly easily win the game, this particular chess game, white will be win the game. Okay. Today, this video ended right now in the right time. Okay. We will see another video after tomorrow. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. I am publish every day after 7:30 in Sri Lanka time. I give live stream on my YouTube channel. If you want to see, please come on after 7:30 Sri Lankan time. I will be play the foreign chess players in the lichess. Okay. Thank you so much watching this video. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.